SBA Publications.
Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. Myself Solicity, your mentor, and today in this video we are going to learn about birds and insects. So, पक्षी और कीड़े इनके बारे में हम आज पढ़ेंगे. Okay, so to learn the same, let's start it. In this video, we will work on observation and recognition of the things. We see birds and insects around us. हम अपने आसपास कुछ birds और कुछ insects को देखते रहते हैं. Okay, birds. These are some birds. Okay, so let's learn the name of the birds. This is a sparrow. 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 Repeat after me. Sparrow. This is a pigeon. This is the most common bird. Everyone knows. Kabutar. Okay. Now vulture. Vulture. Okay. This is kind of dangerous and mysterious bird. Okay. Now peacock. We all know. Our national bird. Parrot. Tota. Okay. Who is a copycat. He's kind of copycat. No cat. But it's a copy parrot. Okay. Now eagle. Now insects. There are some insects which you have to understand. Okay, we have to be aware of them. So insects, that means कीड़े. These are some insects. Scorpion. केकड़ा. Okay, scorpion. That means बिच्छू. अगर ये काट लेते हैं तो बहुत तेज दर्द होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द होता है. And then we have to go to doctor. We have to consult to doctor. Okay, so be aware of them. Then termite. Okay, this is also a kind of insect. Caterpillar, which make a butterfly. Okay, then cockroach. I hate cockroach. That is my own experience. Okay, and the beetle. Beetle makes so mysterious sound, like I can't explain, but yes, beetle makes so different kind of and mysterious kind of sound. And the spider. Spider तो हम सब ने देखा है, ये तो होते रहते हैं घर में. Okay, so now activity time. Match the pictures with their correct shadows. So हमें यहाँ पर correct shadow के साथ pictures को match करना है. This is the picture of parrot and look at the shadows. So parrot shadow is this one. Okay, this one. Now this is a ladybug. This is the shadow of ladybug. This is the shadow of butterfly, and so on. In a similar manner, you have to do this activity exercise by yourself. Let's meet you in the next video with another concept. Till then, keep on learning the concepts we discussed in this chapter. Take care. Bye bye.